Are you looking for a unique holiday home design? Today I have a new house plan for you. My name is Irene from Untitled Architecture, and we're going to be looking at the Almasi Cottage house plan design. A spacious side entry porch leads to the inside of the house. The inside is divided into 3 distinct sections. The entire front section houses an extra large double volume living room with huge windows to maximize on your views. The double volume lounge gives you a lot of vertical space to work with when it comes to interior design. You can choose to work with wall to ceiling art pieces or decide to go for a grand chandelier to crown the lounge. The options are endless. The middle section houses your dining area, seated side by side with your kitchen area. The kitchen has a pantry and another storage area is tucked under the staircase. 2 spacious ensuite bedrooms are located at the back of the house. The bathrooms are large enough to take a shower cubicle, a toilet and a sink. You also have a visitor's bathroom located at the back, just before the bedrooms. Did I mention porches and terraces? Another terrace is located on the other side of the house, right outside the kitchen. The top floor of this house has been entirely dedicated to 2 large ensuite bedrooms. The master bedroom is simply luxurious, the perfect heaven to retire to after a long day. You have 2 huge balconies on either sides of the master bedroom. You can also fit a small cozy sitting area with sliding doors that lead to one of the balconies. The master bathroom is nice and spacious, big enough for a huge bathtub or a jacuzzi, a sink and a toilet. The second bedroom upstairs comes complete with its own private bathroom for maximum privacy and comfort. Like all the other rooms in this house plan, this bedroom is extra spacious with an equally spacious bathroom. And yes, this bedroom has a balcony. You can enjoy chilling and relaxing, taking in the views. This house plan has been designed to sit on an 1/8 acre, that is a 50 by 100. You will be able to build this house comfortably and leave yourself enough space all around for your parking, your kitchen garden, your walkways and your landscaping. The cost of construction we've been working with is 25,000 to 35,000 shillings per square meter. This is according to the latest published rates by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This always depends on the finishes you use and the location of your project. Standing at 185 square meters, using the rate that I have given, it would cost you between 4.6 million and 6.5 million to construct this house. The total size of this house plan is 185 square meters. The ground floor is 127 square meters and the upper floor is 58 square meters. You have a plinth dimension of 12.3 meters by 16 meters. As it is with all our house plans, we can customize this house plan to fit your needs. If there's something you would like to change or something you'd like to tweak on this house plan, you can always get in touch with us and we will do that for you. And that is the Almasi 4-bedroom cottage house plan. Thank you very much for joining us for this video. Hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, you can always leave them on the comment section. I'll see you in our next video.